1 Digital Assessment, 6th grade, the number system. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1. You are building a shed with your mother. A piece of wood is 4 feet long. How many 2/3 sections can you cut out of each piece of wood? You must explain your thought process used to solve the problem in the box down below. Number 2. What is 2/5 divided by 8/15 in simplest form? Reminder to keep it, change it, flip it. Is it 16/75, 3/4, or 9/8? Number 3. You need 3/4 yard of ribbon for one gift box. You have 3 yards of ribbon total. How many gift boxes do you have ribbon for? 3 boxes, 4 boxes, or 6 boxes? Number 4. Jada made 6 cups of blueberry jam and divided the jam equally among 4 containers. How much jam went into each container? 2/3 of a cup, 3/2 of a cup, or 24 cups? Number 5. On the list of cities, which city has the second highest elevation? Look at the chart very carefully. Death Valley, California, New York City, New York, or Bethel, Indiana? Number 6. Order the cities from the lowest elevation to the highest elevation. Look at the elevations carefully before making your choice. Lowest to highest. Number 7. Select the integer that represents the situation. The temperature is 37 degrees below 0. Is that positive 37 or negative 37? Number 8. Select the integer that represents the situation. A gain of 12 yards in a football game. Is that positive 12 or negative 12? Answer the following. Number 9. Is the following inequality true or false? And explain your reasoning. The absolute value of -5 is less than -3. And type your response down below. 10A. Order the numbers 1, 3, and 6 from least to greatest. 6, 3, 1, 1, 6, 3, or 1, 3, 6. 10B. Order the numbers -1, -3, and -6 from least to greatest. -6, -1, -3, -6, -3, -1, or -1, -3, -6. And number 11, Keith wants to plot -8 and -9 on a number line. Which statement is true? Keith should plot -8 to the left of -9 because -8 is less than -9. Keith should plot -8 to the left of -9 because -8 is greater than -9. Or Keith should plot -9 to the left of negative 8 because negative 9 is less than negative 8. Be sure to check all of your answers before turning it in.